Chili's hot and greasy and a little spicy and... What? Stump? To your left or right?
You can go right over it, I would.
Alright.
They also said that one place, something west, Trolls,
Yeah.
had a butter burger.
I think we brought you there the first time.
I don't know.
It's right across from Lambeau.
I know.
It's over by the bakery.
It doesn't ring a bell to me. I've never been to the bakery either.
Yeah.
I don't think I went before. I think I remember.
Yeah. It's kind of like that bowling alley in Milwaukee we went to. It's old like that, you know?
Yeah.
You can tell it's been there.
I have lots of Milwaukee stuff.
Yeah.
Pops was in there.
Yep. Sun's bright. What you doing?
Oh, I had my knee up at it.
Oh.
Felt kind of funny again. Still having a hard time making sense out of our life. I find I ponder it down here more than anywhere else, which I kind of hate, but because I equate some of this with that, and